I'm going to show you how to fix app not installed problem. So if you're new here, just make sure you subscribe and let's get started. So have you ever gone to install an application and it shows you app not installed? Today I'm going to show you how to overcome this problem. So first things first, make sure you have sufficient storage on your internal. Just make sure that you check your file manager and you have sufficient space for installation of the application. Number 2, avoid installation from SD card, as most applications prefer being installed on the internal. Number 3, go to Google Play Store and disable the Play Protect, as this will help to solve this problem by toggling that off. Number 4, compatibility issues. This normally occurs when you're sending an application from a big Android version phone to a less Android version phone. So just make sure you always download your applications from Google Play Store to avoid this problem, so that you don't encounter the app uninstalled. Number 5, avoid corrupted files. This normally occurs when you're downloading applications from websites. If you picked value in this video, just make sure you give a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. See you next time.